How to check if your TikTok account is UK based. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the top right. After that, in here, simply click on Account. After you click on account information at the top. Here you'll find account region. And from here you will be able to confirm if it's UK based or not. You can simply click on it and see as well. And if you want to change, you can change it from here as well. And this is how to check if your TikTok account is UK based. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.